Hey guys, my name is Akari and I'm an online entrepreneur. In this video, I want to share with you the best online business model that you can start in 2025. Before I get into the business model itself, I want to talk about a few main benefits that I've experienced from doing this business in the past couple years. The first is freedom. So, since I've been doing this, I've been able to travel to over 10 countries, work whenever I want, and make the most amount of money I've ever made in my life. The second benefit is working with less clients. So, with other business models such as dropshipping or agency, you need to sell a ton of products to even make a decent income or work with many different clients. So, with this model, you're working with less clients and focusing on quality over quantity, which I believe is the way forward this year, where there's a lot of competition. And for you to stand out as a business, you need to be able to provide the most value and give your clients the most amount of attention. And when you become the best and deliver the best results, you're going to get the best testimonials. And once you have the best testimonials, you will get more clients. So you're really starting a positive flywheel with this method. The third benefit, which is my favorite, it's a high profit margin. So I've personally experienced 80 to 90% consistently, month to month, profit margins, which is kind of unheard of. If you think about agencies or drop shipping, a 30% profit margin is considered good. So now I'll get into what the business is actually called. So the business model is selling a high ticket offer. So what is high ticket? Some of you guys probably have never heard this word in your life and you don't even know what it is. So high ticket is selling a premium price product or service for an expensive price. So for example, you may have heard of $10,000 a month coaching packages or a one-off $5,000 education course. These are the sorts of prices. High ticket is considered at least 3,000 US dollars or more. And for that price, the client will receive greater value than the price that they paid. So it might be helping someone fix a specific problem, such as stop drinking alcohol or learning how to run ads. Or it might be something like learning a language like Brazilian Portuguese. So these are a few different examples of what a high ticket product or service is. So that's what a high ticket offer is. Now, in terms of why I believe it's superior to the other business models, with agency, which a lot of you guys may have heard of floating around the internet, it's been quite popularized by many social media influencers, but with that has brought along a lot of competition. So with agencies, there's already tons of competition out there, and the main services are like ad creation, social media management. So when you enter this business model, you're basically going into a sea of fish and a ton of competition, all fighting over the same scraps. And for me, that's not the game I want to play. I want to go to, they call it a blue ocean, where it's more empty and where you have more room to grow and be able to catch more fish. So with the high ticket offer, firstly, there's less people doing it, which means it's more untapped. And this is an opportunity for you to basically come in early to the market. And the reason why it's less competition is because it relies on you teaching a skill. And by teaching the skill, you become authority, you become basically your own personal brand, and there's only one of you. So that's why it's unique and that's why it's less competitive. With an agency, if I'm looking at 5 agencies to work with and they all offer ad management, which one do I choose? They all look the same, they have a different name. And then with dropshipping I've actually done in the past and I did make some good money with it, but that was back in 2018 where there was less competition. Now, firstly, that's probably the most popular online business model. For you to make even $10,000 a month, let's say your product is $10, right? You need to sell 1,000 products. And then that's not even taking into consideration like your product costs, your ad costs. Dropshipping is a very high upfront investment. So when you're as a beginner and as a person who wants to start an online business who may not have much financial resources, this is a very unfriendly environment for you to enter. So yeah, that's dropshipping. Now back onto the model of high ticket and how it actually works. So I'll make a separate video on this and explain all the steps to actually launch it yourself. But to give you a general overview, essentially you will learn a skill or you will have expertise. And if you don't have a skill, don't worry. I'll explain how you can learn one. But you're most likely good at something and you just don't know what it is. And it could be anything, really. So you have your skill, you teach people about it online, whether that be through YouTube, Instagram, even TikTok. And then once you build up your audience, you will gain a following who likes you, who trusts you. And then with this following, you will create a product that solves their specific pain points or their specific problems. And this is what you call an offer, a high ticket offer. So you want to craft this very carefully and spend the most amount of time creating this. So yeah, this offer is what you're going to present to the marketplace and to your audience. And once you have this offer, you will basically sell it to your audience and help them solve their problem. And this could be in the form of a course, or it could be the form of a community, group coaching calls. There's many different ways that you can deliver your offer. And then essentially you're working with, for example, if you're working with 10 clients a month, and selling a $3,000 offer, that's $30,000 a month. Or let's say you're not even looking at $30,000 yet. You just want to make 10K a month. Okay, well, that's just 3 to 4 clients a month. So for you to get to 10,000 with dropshipping or an agency compared to a high ticket offer, it's a world of difference, honestly. 10K is 3 to 4 clients. When I put it like that to you, like compared to selling 1,000 dropshipping products, which one would you rather choose? So it just makes a lot of sense. And yeah, I would highly, highly recommend starting your own high ticket offer and really giving it a go yourself, because there's so much opportunity and there's so much less competition. It is truly the best online business model you can start. So that's it for this video, guys. If you want to learn more about high ticket offers or have any other questions for me, please just leave a comment down in the description below. Other than that, like, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.